Hey everyone, happy holidays. This is what I decided to go ahead and create with my Glowforge Aura. I was able to create a lot of little earrings, the gingerbread earrings, the calf earrings, and what I did was I went into my Glowforge and I picked out a few earrings, had them engrave it and cut it out, and then add my embellishments to it. And I was really surprised how wonderful they came out. So here are all the little earrings, and I'm actually going to be setting them in my salon. And I also made a stand that actually went with it. So what I did was I got myself a pattern, made my own pattern, and then I went from there and put it all together, had my Glowforge Aura cut it all out for me. I spray painted it with like a sage green and put my dowel woods in the center part of it. And it came out so cute. I was really surprised. So I'm pretty happy with this project. And this project is actually going to go into my salon. So people will be able to buy these cute little earrings for Christmas.